Good afternoon, students. Today our topic is linear equation in one variable. Let's take one question. This question must be written first, and we're going to find out the value of x. That will be our answer. Here 5 is the denominator, 5 is the denominator. So this part will be taken to the left hand side. As I take it, this plus sign will be minus sign. Look, and this will be taken to the right hand side. Why? Because 5 and 5 is the denominator, so it will give us 5 as the LCM for these two. So the calculation will be easier. So now 5 is the LCM here, and this 5 will divide this 5, 1 into this numerator, I have written it. This minus will come here. This 5 will divide this 5, 1 into this numerator, I have written it. Equal sign. 11 and 1 means 1 by 1. 11 and 1, these two are the denominators. LCM will be 11. This 11 will divide this 11, 1 into the numerator, written. This plus will come here. This one will divide this 11 into the numerator, 1 into 11. So after calculation, this portion will come, 1 into the entire bracket, this will come. Then this minus, after minus, before bracket, what number is present? 1. So it's minus 1. Minus 1 into plus x, minus 6. Minus plus 1 into 9 by 5. Now here, look at this. 1 into this entire bracket, it will be here. Plus 1 into 11. Now, 2x minus x. 13 and 9, who is bigger? 13 is bigger number sign will come, minus. 9 will be subtracted from 13. So it's minus 4. X, bigger number sign will come, so plus will come. 3 will be subtracted from 11. So it's 8. Multiply it crosswise, this into this and this into this, which will give us this. 5x plus 40 is equal to 11x minus 44. Now x less term will be on the one side, and the terms that has x will be kept on the one side. So 11x is kept here, 5x will come to this side. It will plus 5x will be minus 5x. Minus 44 will be plus 44 on the left hand side, because sign has been changed for it. So it will give us 84 is equal to 11x minus 5x, 6x. Both the sides can be divided by 6. Why? Because 6 is the coefficient in this term. And if I remove this 6, x will be alone, and it will give us the answer. So both the sides will be divided by 6 by this coefficient. 84 will be divided by 6 as well, both the sides. So it will give us 14. It will give us only x is equal to 14. So required solution will be x is equal to 14. Let's take another sum. First of all, we're going to write that question. What is the question? X minus 1 into x plus 6 minus x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now these two brackets will be multiplied, and the product will be kept in one bracket. After that, this minus will come here. These two brackets will be multiplied, and the product will be kept in another bracket. This 3 will be on the right hand side. Okay. So now plus x into plus x, x square. Minus 1 into plus x, minus x. Then plus 6 into minus 1. So it will give us minus 6. Then plus into this plus, before x plus sign is present, plus will come here. 6 into x, 6x. This minus, then plus x into plus x, x square. Minus into plus, before x plus sign is present, plus minus minus. 2 into x, 2x. Then minus 3 into this plus x, minus 3x. Minus plus, 3 to the 6. Now x square, 6x minus x, 5x, minus 6. X square, minus same sign, so minus sign will come. 2 and 3 will be added, 5x, 6 will be here. Now I'll break these two brackets. Before the bracket, what sign is present? Plus. So plus into, before x square, after the bracket, what sign is present? Again plus. Plus into plus, plus. after plus and before the bracket, what number is present? 1. 1 into x, x square. Plus into plus, plus 1 into 5x, 5x. Plus into minus, minus 1 into 6, 6. Minus into before x square, after the bracket, what sign is present? Plus. Plus, minus, minus. After minus sign before the bracket, what number is present? 1. 1 into x square, x square. Minus, minus, plus 1 into 5x, 5x. Minus, plus, minus 1 into 6, 6. This will be kept here. Now plus x square minus x square get cancelled out. 5x and 5x will give us 10x. And here minus minus same sign. So that sign will come. 6 and 6 will be added. If the sign is same, numbers get added. So it will be minus 12. That minus 12 will be taken to the right hand side. It will be plus 12. So it will be plus 15. So both the sides will be divided by 10. If I divide by 10, it will be x only. 15 by 10, it will be x is equal to 1.5. So this is our required solution.